Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. In some shocking news, popular Zimbabwean socialite and video vixen Natalie Mandu, popularly known as Enchantress or Madam Stylist, is at the center of a bizarre legal storm after two women believed to be her former close friends have filed a criminal complaint accusing her of witchcraft. The complaint has set tongues wagging across Harare social media circles and possibly stirred an old love triangle drama that just won't die. Police confirmed that Natalie was invited to Glenview Police Station for questioning over the matter. While social media buzzed with claims that she had been detained overnight, police sources confirmed she was released into the custody of her lawyers given that she has a fixed address and the charge she faces, while sensational, is not regarded as a serious offense under Zimbabwean law. The allegations fall under Section 98 of the Criminal Law Codification and Reform Act, which deals with practices commonly associated with witchcraft. The whole saga allegedly began when Natalie fired a domestic worker. The disgruntled maid then contacted two of Natalie's former friends, one of whom is rumored to have a snatched a boyfriend. The ex-maid reportedly led the two women to Pension Farm in Glenview, where they claimed to have unearthed a red cloth and a knife inscribed with their names, alleged remnants of a ritual performed with the Mozambican Sangoma.